life of Andrea. Here one. It's 9:51. It's almost midnight. And you know what? We're going into 2021. Not last year, 2021. So we all will win in 2021. So welcome to my kitchen again. Welcome to my beautiful kitchen. And today here I go. I'm going to cook you guys a favorite. Known in the Caribbean, known in Trinidad as black eyed peas cookup. Oh God, black eyed peas cookup. Here I go. I have all my ingredients together. When you're making black eyed peas, you have to have all the ingredients together. You ain't going to be looking in the fridge to find time and looking in the cupboard to see if you can find some seasoning. You get everything together. So we're going to cut to the chase and start the video. Guys, here we go again. For my black eyed peas cook-up, I'm going to be using some chicken. Like 2.5 pounds of chicken. And this chicken has already been seasoned. You know, seasoned and marinated for about 3 hours. All the great seasoning you could put in it. You could put any type of seasoning. But I season my chicken the way I want. I have some shadow benny. I have a little bit of salt, some thyme, some garlic powder, all that kind of stuff inside it. You can season your chicken anyhow you want, okay? And you're cutting up your chicken into biteable sizes. Alright, here. I have 1.5 cup of smoked cooked ham. Cut up in small pieces too. You understand? Right? We go on to the rice. This is parboiled rice. And this is 2.5 cup of parboiled rice. Black eyed peas that was cooked. And it is tender. You see how soft it is, look? It should be able to mash in your hand like this. Black eyed peas. 5 cups of black eyed peas. And you see this here? This is the stock from the black eyed peas. You understand? I just strained it. This going back into that pot. So here we go again. Right. So we're going to use now some oil. That oil in that corner sitting there, that canola oil. You could use any oil. You could use vegetable oil. I'm going to use just like about 4 tablespoons of this oil. Alright? Miss out anything here? Alright. We're going to here now. You have some chopped red peppers. 1 chopped red pepper here. Right? You have 1 chopped onion. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. This is celery here. This is 1 cup of chopped celery. Right? And here we have some minced garlic. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Some pimento pepper. You must put in a little pimento pepper. 2 chopped pimento pepper. Here, you have the coconut milk. Oh God, you must have some coconut milk in your food. 1 cup of coconut milk. You understand? And some brown sugar to brown down that to caramelize everything. You have some sugar. 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. And additionally, you could use, I'm using sazon tropical. These are the dry herbs, okay? I have some clove. This is the ground clove, right? If you could get the fresh thyme, it's better. But look, I went to the international store looking to see if I could get some fresh thyme. When I reached the store closed, so I ended up buying some thyme, some dry thyme from the African store. And here I have some paprika pepper. So here we go with the recipe. So to the pot, I'm going to add the oil. And you have your stove on high, okay? You put your oil. Wait for it to heat up a little bit because the pot has been preheated already. So I'm not going to be wasting any time. And I'm going to put in the brown sugar. You drop that brown sugar in the oil just like that. I think I might need some more brown sugar. Hey, let me go get some more brown sugar. Put the next tablespoon of that brown sugar. You understand? Because I want it to be really nice. You understand? Alright. So now that you put in the sugar, you wait until it caramelizes. You understand? Leave it there and then caramelize. You're making a nice cook-up. Don't worry. Everything gonna be nice. You have to wait until this really turn brown and liquidy. Alright? So see you in a little bit. So you keep stirring. And please, you have to stay in the kitchen while you are preparing this part of the cooking. You have to stay in your kitchen because you will smoke up your kitchen. You could cause a fire in your kitchen. you know. And the next thing you know, the fire crew is here knocking on your door. So first begin, it becomes like this, like foam, you know, it like foam, you see? It like foam, and then it's gonna change to a different color, a darker brown, where it's really caramelizing. You understand? So we are making in my kitchen today, guys, black eyed peas Cookup. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome aboard to Andrea Trini's Kitchen, where Andrea brings you loads of beautiful dishes on a regular basis. Welcome. Like, comment, and share my videos with your friends and family. And certainly subscribe to my wonderful channel. So if you're looking now, you're going to see a different shade of brown. Right? Not yet, not yet. Wait. Not yet. Right. You see all that smoke engulfing? That is what you want. This is what you want. So you're going to put in the chicken. Make sure you don't have water in the chicken so you don't splash up and burn you. And you stir it. You can't play mass and play powder in my kitchen. You understand? Look at that beautiful color on the chicken now. And you let it fry down for a little bit. You don't put the water right away. You let it fry down for about a minute. You understand? Let it fry down for about a minute. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of the stock. A little bit of the pea stock. Just a little bit. You make sure that each piece of the chicken is well coated. This is what you want. This is what you want. You understand? And you let it cook for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Alright. Now everything has been well colored here. And this is what you want, right? You see all that stickiness has left the side of the pot and it has sort of dissolved. If you look at it, really good. Nothing is stuck, right? Nothing sticky. Nice brown looking colored chicken. So the next thing you're going to do is to add this black eyed peas. You see how the peas is? With a big black eye. You understand? You know, long time they used to have a bead like this. We used to call it zombie beads. But you're going to add this to the pot. All of it. And you're going to give it another stir. Black eyed peas Cookup, guys. New Year's Day favorite in the islands. And now I'm going to add the rest of the stock. And you cover again. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. The rice. As I said, this is parboiled rice. You want to take out all the excess starch you have in the rice. So you just run it under cold water and just take your hand like a fork and just rub it together. Right? If you want to put more rice, you could put more rice. It all depends on how much you're cooking for. You give it another wash. Take out all that excess starch in the rice. So the pot now, because you know the peas here is already pre-cooked, so it's not. I'm gonna add the rice to it. Add the rice to the pot. You see, I haven't added any water to this pot as yet. And you toss it around. Black eyed peas Cookup. We're using chicken as the type of meat and some smoked ham. Now you want to put in some onions, some carrots, the celery, give it a toss. And as I said, you don't want your chicken to be big and bulky, so it can cook faster. Little biteable sizes. The pepper. Chopped tomatoes. And this is going to be a real tasty dish. When it's finished cooked, everything is going to be combined and cooked so nicely. You toss it around. Pimento. Of course, garlic. Chopped garlic. And I'm going to add some sazon, tropical sazon. Some ground cloves. Thyme, as I said previously. If you don't get the if you can't get the fresh thyme, then you could use the dry thyme. And to spice it up a little bit, you put a little bit of paprika. You understand? Almost through, almost through. Give it a toss. It's smelling so good already. The aroma that's coming from this pot. And this is going to be eaten first thing on New Year's morning. As soon as the clock strikes the hour, this should be ready. So now we're going to add the coconut milk. And you want to put some more water, some additional water, not much, but you don't want your food to be soggy. If you look at the level of the liquid, it's just basically covering the food itself, alright? So you want that meat to cook. And then I'm going to add the smoked ham to the very top. You want all the essential aroma that you can get from this pot. Right, so we're going to cover this. And what you're going to do, you're going to decrease the heat. You're going to put it a little past between low and medium. And let it cook. I'll be back. Peek into the pot. Guys, look at this pot, how great it looks. You understand? And no set of water added to it. Right? Let me give it a taste check. Yes. And put a little black pepper in it. For extra seasoning. Put a little black pepper. And a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Because I think it wanted a little more salt, but I didn't want to add no such a heavy salt. And you give it a stir again. Yes, I'm holding a hot pot, guys. You just stir it up and let it consume, cook down. Okay, this is how my pot is looking, guys. I'm telling you. Alright, now the pot, you know, it's not soggy or anything like that. It's cooking really nice. And you want this to steam down for probably another 10 more minutes. But before I do that, I'm going to put some in this Maggi. I'm going to add a little bit of Maggi to this pot. Just a little bit to enhance more flavor. And you give it a little toss around. And give it about 10 more minutes. And this is how you want your pot to look. You always have to stop and give it a taste check. If you need to put a little more salt or any extra seasoning, you could put it at this point. Okay? So now you give it a little taste check. Awesome. 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 I'm going to drop this red pepper inside here. Let it steam now. Give it about 10 more minutes and it's ready. I'll be back. And this is the end product of my really sumptuous tasting, because I just tasted it. It tasted so good. Black eyed peas Cookup. You understand? So I'm going to display it for you. I'm going to display it for you. So this is going to be served in half an hour time. It's going to be the 1st of January or January the 1st. 2021, and your girl Andrea serving black eyed peas Cookup. Right? It have chicken in here, it have smoked ham in here, and I'm telling you, this is the way to go for the new year. So I have these 2 containers. I'm going to take some of this and give the neighbor some. You understand? Take some to work tomorrow. Make sure the family eats. This is the end product of my piping hot black eyed peas Cookup, right? Made with chicken, a combination of black eyed peas, you understand, and some smoked ham. Enjoy this video, try it out, like, comment, and share, and happy New Year to all my subscribers and all throughout the world. Happy New Year to everyone. Love you guys and keep safe. We're going to handle COVID. See you.